For today, we're gonna clean this filter. Bought a K&N recharge kit, so gonna take this off, pull off this crusty looking filter. Dang, there's a lot of stuff in there. Let me try to get in there if I can, but there's a lot of debris in there. Get it cleaned, get it recharged and back on, and probably not going to be much noise on the video. It's 11 o'clock in the morning and it is 90 degrees right now, so I'm going to be turning on the fan here. I don't think this is the filter that's supposed to be on it. The reason I say that is because of the way it's rubbing on the horn. So probably gonna try to order a smaller filter. Now toss this thing back in. I'm trying out a different setting on the camera. Before I was doing like a really wide angle. On this one, it's narrow, so not sure if that's helpful at all, but if it is, let me know. Oily, and then this flange is real dirty. Probably wipe that off. Be getting a smaller filter for this one, and then we'll be set. So there we go, done. And the next part we're going to be replacing on the 99 Dakota RT is going to be a center, ABS center for the rear differential. Still doing the hesitation as it's decelerating, and just I don't know, it's kind of funky, but wanted to replace that to be on the safe side. And then if that doesn't work, probably gonna be taking it back to the shop, just to have them go over it one more time, just trying to replace whatever I can. See if that helps for the time being. My light died at the end of that last clip, so I went and grabbed the other one. I think this is the first time I've even charged them since I bought these Harbor Freight icon lights. These are pretty cool, but yeah, the charge lasts a really long time. It was flashing for a second, guessing that was the warning that it was about to die, but it died. So got the new light here, but yeah, so probably gonna be swapping this filter out for a shorter one that doesn't hit the line here and rest on the horn. So that'll be another project down the road. And now we're done. So Thanks for watching. Appreciate it.